Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Aloo Paratha. We start by preparing the dough, a crucial first step for perfectly soft parathas. Combine 2 cups of whole wheat flour with a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Slowly add about 1 cup of water, kneading until you achieve a soft, smooth, and pliable dough. Allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes. This helps the gluten relax, making your parathas easier to roll later. While the dough rests, we will prepare the star of our dish, the spicy potato filling. Boil 4 medium-sized potatoes until they are very tender, then peel and mash them completely smooth. Stir in 1 finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Finish with salt to your preference and 1 tablespoon of fresh, vibrant cilantro. This combination creates a rich, aromatic stuffing. Now, let's bring our dough and filling together to create the parathas. Take a small dough ball and flatten it into a 3-inch disc, making a slight cup in the center. Carefully place about 2 tablespoons of the potato mixture inside this cup. Gather the edges of the dough to enclose the filling completely, forming a neat ball. Lightly dust with flour, and then gently roll it into a round, 8-inch disc. Finally, it is time to cook our delicious Aloo Parathas to golden perfection. Heat a griddle or a flat pan over medium-high heat until it is nice and hot. Carefully place a rolled paratha onto the dry griddle. After about 1 minute, flip it and apply 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee evenly over the surface. Flip again, add another teaspoon of oil, and cook until both sides are beautifully golden brown and slightly crisp, signaling it is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.